Happy birthday, Father. Ay, nagdakol mo Europa mo.
Okay, thank you very much for this beautiful cake. You prepared this. Hope that everybody would like to eat. Just come forward and take your share.
Ano man ay, Father.
So,
Hindi kasya.
Siguro pag-usog sana kayo hanggang naging pag-uwi. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Salamat niyo ng